Alrighty, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another skincare video with you today. I know last time I did my beautiful FOREO 2 with you folks. Today I have the FOREO LUNA Fofo. So typically for my routine, I've already been using the FOREO LUNA 1, so the very original one from before. But the other day I went to Ross and I saw this and I just had to get it because right now I know it's currently on the FOREO website. Retails for $89, but at Ross I got it for only $50. So I just had to pick it up, and it comes in a variety of colors. But let's not waste any time at all and let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so I'm definitely going to try this out tonight, but what I'm extremely excited about is supposedly it has sensors on it. It's made out of 24 karat gold. It supposedly is able to scan your skin and make a personalized skincare routine for your skin, just kind of based on the levels of hydration and whatever else it is able to scan you for. So let me try to open it. Okay, with you. Okay, this is what it looks like right out of the box. It is so adorable, just because my previous Luna was very big, but the area that it used to cleanse my skin was very small. Well, this one, it's small, but it has a pretty large surface area, and it fits into my little palms of my hand. But this is where the 224 karat gold plates are. It's supposed to be waterproof, so down here it's battery. So right out of the box, this battery is supposed to last for 400 uses, and it feels so soft. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let's see what else comes in the box. It comes with a little magnetic thing, and then inside the box there's actually just support paper. So now let's go and check out what it looks like in the app. So I'm gonna go ahead and click start.
Select your skin type. I have combination skin. How does the sun affect your skin? Always burns, never tans. Always burns, tans minimally. Burns moderately and tans gradually. Burns minimally and always tans. Rarely burns but tans easily. I think burns minimally. I think that's me. And how much water do you drink a day? Ooh, definitely not as much as I should. Go ahead and just put maybe 2 cups. How often do you exercise? About 2 to 3 times a week. Okay,
so it basically says how to personalize. Each time you analyze your skin with the sensors, your personal cleansing routine is updated.
Okay, so we're going to try it. Right cheek. I'm going to try it right now. Right cheek.
Measuring is in progress. You can now remove Luna Fofo from skin. Now hold the skin sensors to your left cheek. Measuring is in progress. You can now remove Luna. Next, hold the skin sensors to your forehead.
I like how there's a little camera on the back where it lights up. It looks so adorable. It looks like a little film camera. But I'm holding the sensors to my head.
Measuring is in progress.
Probably look really weird right now, but
You
it's
can
okay.
now remove Luna Fofo from skin.
Okay.
Finally, hold the skin sensors to your
On my
nose.
nose.
Measuring is in progress.
Do I look like Rudolph?
This is your new personalized cleansing routine.
Okay, so I'm definitely not going to go ahead and click done and wash my face, but I'll definitely try it out and let you guys know in a future update. Thank you so much for checking out this video. This is the Luna Fofo. I basically did an unboxing and I also just personalized my skin. Of course, I did have a little bit of makeup on, but let me know, do you folks already have the Luna Fofo, or were you planning to get it? Or what do you use today to cleanse your skin? Feel free to leave a comment below. Click like if you like this video. Please comment and subscribe. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care now.